In the dim light of early mornings, when the mist still cloaks the majestic mountains of Japan, we enter a mysterious and refined world, the world of Japanese sword making. This is not just a production process, but an artistic journey, a dance of the blacksmiths, and above all, a symphony of passion and precision. The process of creating a Japanese sword begins with Tamahagane, a special steel made from pure iron ore. This steel is produced in traditional clay furnaces called tatara, where skilled artisans control heat and airflow over several days, carefully transforming the raw iron into steel. This is not just a technical process, but a sacred ritual requiring precision to ensure the steel absorbs the right amount of carbon and forms correctly. Once the steel is ready, it is extracted and inspected, with only the finest pieces selected for sword making. This Tamahagane will later be forged into a blade that embodies the strength, resilience, and spirit of a true katana. The careful creation of Tamahagane sets the foundation for a sword that is both a weapon and a piece of art, rich with tradition and meaning. Once the Tamahagane is prepared, the blacksmith begins the mesmerizing process of forging. With each powerful strike of the hammer, the red-hot steel is shaped, and its character begins to emerge. The steel is folded repeatedly, each fold purifies the metal and strengthening it. This folding process creates layers that give the blade its distinctive strength, a tough outer shell to withstand impact, and a resilient core that prevents it from breaking. As the blade takes form under the blacksmith's skilled hands, every fold and every strike infuses it with purpose and soul. The steel is not just being shaped. It is being transformed into something far more significant, an elegant weapon and a true work of art. The signature grain patterns, known as hara, begin to emerge, marking the blade with its unique identity. The blacksmith's patience and precision ensure that the final product is not only a functional sword, but a masterpiece that carries with it centuries of tradition. After forging, the next step is shaping the blade, where the blacksmith's skill truly shines. Using hammers and anvils, the steel is carefully sculpted into the elegant form of a sword. Every curve and angle is crafted with precision, balancing beauty with functionality. The gentle curves give the blade grace and cutting power, while sharp angles define the edge, making it razor sharp. But this process is more than technical, it's an expression of the blacksmith's artistry. Each detail reflects not just skill but emotion, as the blade becomes a work of art, carrying the essence of its maker and the rich tradition behind it. The sword, once shaped, is more than a weapon. It is a symbol of elegance, craftsmanship, and the soul of its creator. But the journey of the sword does not end with shaping. After the blade has been carefully sculpted, it moves to one of the most critical stages in its creation, quenching. Before this, the blacksmith applies a special clay mixture or wax to the blade, coating it in varying thicknesses. This application is not only functional, but also artistic, as it plays a crucial role in the development of the blade's pattern, known as Hamon. The thick layer of clay or wax covers the spine of the blade, protecting it from excessive hardening, while a thinner layer is applied to the cutting edge to allow for more intense cooling. Once the coating is applied, the blade is heated until it reaches a glowing red-hot state, then quickly plunged into cold water. This rapid cooling creates a thermal shock that hardens the cutting edge while leaving the spine more flexible, striking the perfect balance between strength and resilience. The quenching process also reveals the beautiful Hamon, a unique pattern that runs along the edge of the blade, marking the division between the hard and soft steel. This wavy pattern is not only a testament to the blacksmith's skill, but also a reflection of the soul of the sword, making each blade truly one of a kind. It is during this quenching stage that the sword transforms from a raw, unfinished piece of metal into a refined weapon of precision and beauty. The sword is now tough and sharp, ready to face any challenge. With its unique patterns and delicate balance of hardness and flexibility, the blade becomes a masterpiece that embodies both the artistry and functionality for which Japanese swords are renowned. The next process is honing the blade, a step that requires meticulous attention and care. The craftsmen use various sharpening stones to make the blade as sharp as possible. Each honing session is performed with utmost focus because the blade needs not only to be sharp, but also to have uniformity and perfection. Every stroke of the sharpening stone on the blade is a step closer to perfection. In addition to the distinctive Hamon pattern, many swords feature intricate engravings or decorations. Skilled artisans carefully etch detailed designs into the blade, ranging from delicate motifs to elaborate symbols. These engravings add personal and artistic touches, enhancing the sword's beauty and uniqueness. Each decorated sword becomes a refined masterpiece, reflecting the craftsmanship and creative vision of its maker while transforming the blade into a unique work of art. Finally, we reach the assembly of the handle and fittings, the final step in completing the sword. The handle, often made from fine materials like wood, leather, or metal, is carefully attached to the blade with precision. This step is crucial for the sword's balance and grip, shaping not only how it feels in the hand, but also its overall character and style. The handle is wrapped tightly in silk or leather, while the tsuba, handguard, and other fittings, such as the fuchi and kashira, are adorned with intricate designs. These elements are crafted from metals like bronze or brass and sometimes embellished with gold or silver. The combination of materials, wrapping, and decorative fittings transforms the sword into a unique masterpiece, blending functionality with artistic beauty, making each sword distinct and personal to its owner. When all steps are completed, the traditional Japanese sword is not just a weapon, it is a symbol of artistic excellence, patience, and perfection. Each sword carries the story of its makers, the culture, and the tradition of Japan. It is a part of heritage, a testament to the fusion of art and technique. Each sword tells a unique story, blending strength, beauty, and art into a single, refined work. It stands as a symbol of elegance and resilience, crafted with care and precision, destined to inspire awe for generations. The journey from raw steel to finished blade is a tribute to the dedication of those who keep this ancient craft alive, preserving the soul of the sword in every gleaming edge. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating art of Japanese sword making. We hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for this remarkable craft. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, take care.